Welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'll be doing a brown stew chicken foot recipe. In this bowl I have 2 pounds of chicken feet. They have been washed and I did a pedicure on them. You know, normally cooking chicken foot with the nails on is prohibited. So I took out all the nails, washed them thoroughly. Now I'm going to add the seasoning. One teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, teaspoon onion flakes, teaspoon cayenne pepper, teaspoon parsley flakes, a teaspoon dried onion leaves, teaspoon complete seasoning, teaspoon cumin, teaspoon chili powder, that's it for the dry seasoning. I'm going to rub it in now. I'm going to add the wet seasoning now. One teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. One teaspoon soy sauce, and I'll be adding one teaspoon browning. The vegetable seasonings I'll be adding when I'm stewing the chicken feet. I'll be marinating these chicken feet between 2 hours and 24 hours. I'll be putting them on the refrigerator. In this case, I'll be marinating them maybe between 2 and 3 hours. Okay, in this pot, a Dutch oven or a Dutch pot, I have 3 tablespoons oil, vegetable oil. I'm gonna brown the chicken feet, then I'm gonna remove them and I'll be preparing the sauce. Then I'll put them back. So let's go. So you make sure that the chicken feet are brown, and then like I said, remove them and fry up the vegetables, the marinade, and then boil down those chicken feet. That's how we go from there. Yes, I'll be browning. I've browned the chicken feet and I've poured some water on them. Now I'll be boiling them until they become tender. Then I'll add the vegetable seasoning. Okay, the chicken feet are soft now, so I'll just start adding the vegetables. I'll add them a little at a time. First I'll put in potatoes. The rest of them I'll put when the potato is half cooked. Okay, I'm gonna add some more vegetable seasoning now. Put some celery, some red onions, some green bell pepper, and 3 cloves of garlic crushed. So I'll mix this in now. And I'll cover the pot again. Okay, the chicken feet are finished cooking now. How lovely it looks. Smells wonderful. Look at this. They're soft. Nice gravy. Lovely. Such wonderful aroma. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel.